What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again today with another great, amazing tech video. Well, the video of today, it's all about the gaming mouse by Baseus, the GMO01. It's really kind of cool. So enough of me talking, let's get started on this video of today. As you can see, guys, this is the Baseus GMO01. It's a really nice mouse, and I decided just to grab it so as we can use it here on our gaming setup, and it would be really cool. So guys, we're gonna just unbox it and see what's packed inside. So yeah, what you're getting inside is paperwork. As you can see, guys, these are the paperworks to showcase you what's happening throughout the mouse, which is great, and thanks from Baseus. So here we have it. This is our gaming mouse, which is really cool, and we're gonna just explore it and see what's happening. So it's a wired, it's not wireless, and as you can see here, there are a couple of buttons in here, and there's this kind of button, and it says it's a 9 programmable buttons. What is this? Is this like a sensor or something? I don't know what is it. We're gonna just explore it, or is just some decor, I don't know. We're gonna see what's happening throughout the mouse and check out what's goody. So as you can see on this kind of cable, it's like braided cable, which is really good. It's like tough cable. Oh, throughout here, as you can see, guys, it's really stealth. You can see the way it taps, it's really awesome. And these are the DPI controls, and this is our bad boy. Really stealth, as you can see, guys, and we're gonna just plug it in on our machine and jump in on the game side and explore what's happening. So guys, this is our setup of utility, which is really great, and it's gonna just be connecting throughout the mouse, and you can program it as much as you want it. So as you can see on this side, the number 6, it stands for this kind of button here, this bigger one. This is number 6. You can select what you want to throughout the mouse, which is really great. Let me say I'm tapping on number 6, and I can say what type of key I want to, but it's fully question mark, so it's a little bit like what's going on in here. So let's say, I guess you just tap on here, then you give it a certain key. Let's say is it this one, or what's going on? Okay, is this like custom? Man, what's wrong with this program? It's just showing me question marks. This is insane. So this is the DPI control. I guess it's on the language side. Let's see, where can I change the language? Yeah, okay, changing the language is just easy. Go to the macro page and tap on English, then it will change. So it was Chinese, so I didn't understand anything, to be honest. So as you can see right now, we are having a fully working layout of our mouse pad controls throughout that. On the game mode, as you can see, this is what you're getting on the game mode. So there's office mode and game mode, depending on you how you want it. So left click, right click, and yeah, it will be a little bit like challenging, you know, like getting throughout it. Aiming, it's number 6, and alt, it's number 7. Where is number 7? So this is number 7, and shift and control, man, it's really cool. That means if you can program this mouse, really cool. Even on the video editing side, it will be helping you out throughout a lot. Let's be honest, on the video side, it will be really great. So let's jump in on advanced. On this side, you can see moving speed, and you can change the DPI you want to. Like I'm controlling the DPI right now throughout here, and you can see report rate. You can select the report rate you want to, which by default it's 1000 hertz. So you can select to 125 hertz, but just keep it just the same as how it is. On this side, we are having DPI 1, DPI 2. I'm on the DPI 6, which is 6400, which is bigger compared to even the Logitech MX Master 3, which is just 4000 DPI. This kind of mouse rocks, to be honest. It's really great. And as you can see, enhanced pointer precision and continuous fire. There's continuous fire, there's mode. You can change this kind of mode depending on you how much you want it on the playing on the game. So this side it's just game mode, and this side is just advanced, and this side is macro. That means you can insert your macro. I don't know what it means, but will get to know it and share with you guys on my Instagram account what is it. So on this side, that's it. We covered it already. I hope you guys have no any issues on that. So let us just jump in on the game, because that's the most important thing. So I'm gonna save my bean and call it GM01, and I'm gonna keep it on the document side. It's fine depending on you where you want to store your bean file. So after that, you can even load the bean. So if you have like custom beans, you shifted your machine to another machine, you can just roll out your custom bean, which is really great. So I'm gonna close my software just like that, and we're gonna test out things. Let me say I've opened up Fortnite right now. We're gonna just clutch on the game and see what's going on. Okay, we don't know what's happening, and it's very not looking smooth out. It's faster, to be honest. Damn, this mouse is crazy, man. I feel like, I don't know, man, it's freaking fast. Man, is this a bot, or is tripping me? For real? Okay. Come on, my guy. Man, on the mouse is like a hands down. I'm used to controller and playing it very perfectly. I feel like what's going on, or it's just me. I don't know. It's really feeling a little bit different because I'm trying just to get into there, man. Like, crazy. So overall, guys, you got the experience of the mouse. It's really awesome. You can program it depending on you how much you want it, and it's really dope. So yeah, that's what's up about the Baseus GM01. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about this kind of mouse. Is it perfectly for your game? To be honest, to me, it's a perfect for gaming. It's really nice. I'm getting a little bit like a problem, but you have just to get used to it, because I've been using the controller, to be honest, for a while, playing on my games, and I find it's really awesome because I'm a controller player, and usually a few times I'm using the keyboard and mouse for gaming. But you know, when you're getting into keyboard and mouse for gaming, like for longer run, and you came through the control player, well, you'll get a little bit of a problem to get used to the buttons and many more stuff, so as you can get a perfect gameplay to clutch in and enjoying the game. So that's what's up about this, the GM01. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking. Thank you guys for watching. Up to the next one, you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, kudos guys on the next one, and peace.